Choose the correct form of the verb. The answer is, she goes to the store every morning. In the present simple tense, we add s to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. Choose the correct article. The answer is, I saw an elephant in the zoo. We use an before a word starting with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Choose the correct preposition. The answer is, he is interested in learning languages. The correct collocation is interested in. Certain adjectives are always followed by specific prepositions. Identify the correct plural form. The answer is, one child, two children. Child is an irregular noun. Its plural form is children, not formed by simply adding s. Choose the correct comparative form. The answer is, this book is more interesting than that one. For adjectives with two or more syllables, we form the comparative using more plus adjective.